So Microsoft just laid off another 9,000 people. Yeah, you heard that right. It's the second round of layoffs this year, like the sequel nobody asked for. And no, it's not just junior devs this time. We're talking managers, sales reps, team across different countries, different levels, all getting hit. I don't know what's going on with the tech job market, but it's getting wild for sure. So what's actually happening? From what we know, this latest cut is less than 4% of Microsoft's entire workforce. I mean, still, that's 9,000 humans who just lost their job. That's not a small number. The reports say a lot of the cuts are hitting sales and middle management, and in translation, they're trimming the fat between executives and actual doers. Apparently, Microsoft's trying to streamline operations and position teams better for success in a dynamic market. Corporates speak for, yeah, things are changing and we're trying to keep up, sorry. But hold on a second, didn't Microsoft just have a big AI win? Yeah, ironically, Microsoft has been crushing it in the AI space lately, making moves with Copilot, Azure, and pushing hard on AI-powered cloud services. So why the layoffs then? Well, growth in one area doesn't mean you keep every team untouched. Big tech is shifting hard towards leaner, faster teams focused on AI and cloud. Everything else, it's either getting reshaped or removed. But this isn't just a Microsoft thing. They are not alone. Earlier this year, they already cut over 6,000 roles mostly in engineering. And before that, a small wave based on performance. And it's not just Microsoft. Google, Meta, Amazon, Intel, they've all done similar things. So what's the pattern? Well, big tech is getting leaner, more selective, and more AI focused. And unfortunately, that often means fewer layers of management and more automation where humans used to be. So what does this mean for you and me? Well, if you're in tech, this is your sign to keep building skills that AI can't replace, learn how to work with AI tools, not against them, and focus on roles that deliver real impact, not just meetings and status updates. It also shows that job security in big tech isn't what it used to be. Even at Microsoft, nobody's untouchable anymore. So the takeaway, adapt or get left behind. Look, it sucks, layoffs always do. No script makes it feel better for the people affected. But it's also a reminder the tech world is shifting fast, and the people who learn, adapt, and stay flexible, well, they're the ones who make it through the storm.